that the parties be allowed to settle the matter out of court. From his sentiments, what I get, he's applying for ADR even before plea is taken. We believe that plea should be taken first, and then any other application, whether for AJS, for ADR, should follow when either a plea of not guilty has been entered in the court file. As to the issue that the accused person was not aware that he was supposed to come to court today, the accused person was arrested on 27 February 2025 from the charge sheet. He was out. Yes, he was out on a P52 bond, and thus he was aware that charges will be preferred against him. There are no special circumstances where an accused person should be allowed time to process the fact that he's being arraigned before court for plea. As much as we do not have an issue with all the parties trying to settle the matter out of court, whether through ADR, and whether it's pleas matter before court or the other file, we all agree that plea should be taken first, then the other applications should follow suit. That's all for the prosecution.
Yes, Your Honor, it is true. It's not an issue even for the state to appear in court and apply for deferment of a plea. It's a practice that has been there, provided good reasons are shown why a plea should be deferred for a day or two. There's no reason shown that the prosecution will suffer any prejudice if the accused person is given a week or so. He was not coming for this plea this morning. In fact, his bond was not indicated that he was to appear before this court today for plea taking. In the record to that effect, they can show the court. What the police did, Your Honor, earlier in the day was to confront the accused person when he was leaving this court in the morning. Your Honor, you recall that we came back to court and said it looks like there's a new development. So it is apparent, Your Honor, that the accused person is being treated unfairly by the state. And now, the DPP appears to have entered into the fray. We live in an orderly society. If they wanted the accused person to appear here for plea taking, nothing would have been easier than to bond him, to tell him he will be coming today for plea taking. Your Honor, you appreciate that after the plea, a party is required even to post bond, if at all Your Honor grants him bond. So it's not just a matter of ambushing the accused person, bring him to court without giving him sufficient time to prepare. That is why we are pleading with Your Honor. Defer this plea to a future date. I was choosing 20th because we shall be before you again in a related matter. If they feel that is too far, Your Honor can give any other day, but not necessarily today. The court is about fairness, and the accused person under the Constitution is entitled to fair trial, which includes the taking of the plea. It's for that reason, Your Honor, that I submit that the interest of justice would be in favor of granting a deferment of the plea today. We have been here since morning and we have not left. I reiterate that the prosecution will not suffer any prejudice if you are to defer this plea. On the contrary, the accused person will suffer great prejudice if this plea is taken today.